You are going to save lots of money on DHGATE.com. Just watch this video till end. Here is a full fresh working promo code for DHGATE.com, and you can use it and get amazing discount on that. So how you can use it? Simply add this code on the checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So simply select, and here is a full fresh code, and you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. So let me start from the code number first, where you will get $60 off on your total cart value by using this code. And this is second, where you will get 60% off by using this code. And this is third, where you will get 40% off by using this code. And this is last, where you will get 20% off by using this code. So these all codes are working right now, and if you want more, let me know in the comment section below. And these codes are working right now. And let me tell you one more thing, you can use each coupon code for limited time, not for each and every time. So hope you understand. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.